As the world continues to search for a vaccine for the dreaded COVID-19 pandemic, the wearing of nose masks, hand washing with soap and the clean running water, and the practicing of social distancing have been recommended by health experts as the most effective protocols that will protect individuals from contracting the disease. However, it appears adherence to these safety protocols are being flouted by most residents in the Upper West region. Citi News checks in markets and other public places indicate that most people were not wearing nose masks. Hand-washing facilities which hitherto existed in such places were absent.
It is too much. If I wear it, I can't breathe. If not, I have it inside my bag. If I'm entering any mist, I'll wear it. But if I arrive, I'll remove it and air will enter me small so that I can wear it back.
The reason is that the reason for some of us to not wear the nose mask is our believing is there's no more the sickness in the system again. That's why we are not more wearing the nose mask. And secondly, some of us, we don't have money for the system to buy the nose masks. So that is the problem now.
We don't recognize this. We think the virus is no more here. So because of that, you see people working. That what is coronavirus.
The Upper West region currently has a case count of 88 with 3 deaths. The Regional Director of Health Services, Dr. Damian Punguyure, is unhappy that most people in the region are not adhering to the COVID-19 safety protocols.
The region has a case count of 88 with 3 deaths. The first one that died was a 6-year-old child, and then the others are middle-aged with some comorbidities. So the challenge is that we need to protect this group of people from getting the disease. And so most of our cases are asymptomatic. But when they spill over to people whose immunity is compromised, we've got to get high numbers of deaths. So the education must really go down well for people to observe social distancing. And particularly the wearing of nose masks. These days when you walk through town, you see that people are not adhering to this. And we talk and talk and talk. So as media, we want to urge you to also support us.
The Wa East is the only district out of the 11 municipalities and districts in the region that has no COVID-19 case. The Wa municipality is leading with a case count of 30 with the 3 deaths. The Wa Municipal Health Director, Dr. Mwin Pascal Kingsley, warns that the area could witness an astronomical increase in cases if residents continue to ignore the COVID-19 safety protocols.
There are a couple of challenges, but one of our major challenges is adherence to the protocol by the people. Many have made conscious efforts to adhere to the protocols, especially sanitizing and washing their hands at the early stages of the fight. But it appears like because we have gone a long way in the fight, some people have tended to be reluctant, especially in the very protocols that we are preaching in terms of wearing of face masks and also washing of their hands, social distancing, and then finding themselves among mini gatherings. In fact, the wearing of nose masks or face masks has been a big challenge in the marketplaces and also in gatherings such as funerals and outdoorings and weddings. And I would like to use this opportunity to encourage all within the municipality that it is very, very important to wear the nose masks when you are outside your homes. So when you are going to the marketplace, when you are going out of your homes, please put on your face mask so that together we'll be able to fight this deadly disease. We want the disease to go away as soon as possible because the capacity to manage severe forms of the disease is a very big problem and challenge to us. And so we prefer to rather toe the line of prevention. So once you wear the face masks and you practice the other protocols that we are preaching, we rest assured that we will reduce the rates of transmission of this deadly disease.
From Wa, the Upper West Regional Capital, My name is Latif Mahama, Citi News.